What's up, guys? We are here in Las Vegas, and today we are going to see the Harley Davidson Bikini Bike Wash. So go along with me and let's see what's happening in there. It's time check right now is almost 11 and it will start 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. So we'll do this after the intro. Alright folks, we are here at Harley Davidson now, where the bikini car wash is happening right now. So we'll take a glance at it, put an eye on it. Look at all these cars, I mean all these motorcycles right here.
It's not only for bikes, are they doing it cars?
Look at this. This is so, it's busy right here right now. Oh wow. Ooh, they're doing the thing right now. There's a car wash. That's the bike wash. Look at that, y'all. Cool as ice.
Only for bikes, bro.
Alright. So I'll come back a bit and check it out for you guys. I'm gonna check it out.
Gunsmithing and blue.
Alright, from here we're gonna show you what's happening here, and we'll put a little music on it so you could all appreciate the beauty of this bikini bike wash. Let's go.
In the heat of the
seen it all. So look at all these bikes and everything, and we are heading back. Real quick car wash thingy. Look at all these bikes in here. Only at Red Rock Harley. Right there. Look at all these bikes coming here today on a hot summer day. Look at all these bikes, bro. Let's go. Oh, the green machines. They're here. Okay, Red Rock Harley. It's time for the big show. And do the talk to my son. Oh, since we have a little boy here with us, we'll go to McDonald's. Okay guys, nandito kami sa bahay nung leader namin sa DPS. Yan. Tingnan naman, punong-puno. Oh, 'di ba? May road king, road glide. Yan, street glide. Ano pala 'to? Electra. Tsaka ito, street glide. Ayan, pare. Ayan ang presidente, yan. Domi, what's up, man? Ayan, DPS, nakita nyo naman sa jacket ko yan. Nakaburda. Ayan, laki ng bahay niya, oh. Tingnan nyo, oh. O, diba? Ayan, pare, shoutout ka naman sa mga DPS natin sa Pilipinas.
Oh, shout out sa mga DPS Philippines.
Tsaka dito sa Las Vegas.
Sa Las Vegas. Musta kayo dyan? Dito rin ako sa Las Vegas. Matarantado kayo.
Imbitahan mo sila dito, mga
Kayo-
taga Vegas.
punta kayo rito mamaya. At kailangan ko may bubuhatin ako
Ayan, yan ang DPS. Ayan, nakita nyo, ayan si Domi. Ayan. Ayan. O yan, dali. Ika na, bukas na, tuturo ko sa'yo. Naman. Dali na. Okay. Ako na lang ulit. Papark ko. Sarap ng Tesla eh, no? May Tesla. So naka-off siya. So lalagay doon yung card key. Ayan, okay. Full na sa card key, lalagay mo dito. Tapos lagay mo sa drive. Okay, isang ikot. Ikot tayo gamit ang Tesla. Sakay ka na lang. Sakay ka na lang. Sakay ka na lang.
Paano ba ito binubukas?
Sige.
Paano to?
Pindutin mo lang, pindutin mo.
Nagawa mo pa ako ignorante? Hindi niya alam yung Domi. Kapila. Isa pa to.
Oh, yan, yan.
Ako manual na. Ay, dahil tuwalya ko.
Ayan.
Kasi mainit dun eh.
Let's go, Tesla. Okay. Oh.
Hindi ka na ng Tesla.
Ang sarap nga, oh. Oh, see?
Magkano ang Tesla?
Tignan mo, bigla siyang hihinto.
Bakit?
Ayan, para siyang ano. Oh, ayan. Oh, guys, Tesla. Test drive. Ayan, no? Sarap, oh. Tulin din, eh. Ayan, oh. Bigla siyang hinto.
Hindi naman siya yung ganun.
Oh, hindi mo kailangan preno.
Mas
Diba? Dapat kasi ito bibiling ko siya. So, yan. Hindi tamo. Huli no? Oh, nakita mo, hindi ko pinipreno. See? Hindi ko siya pinipreno. Oh, bibitawan mo lang yung gas. Ayan. Yung to, oh, see? Hindi mo na kailangan i-preno. Ayun. O, diba?
yung bintana.
So, ayan. Let's go.
Ano to binubukas?
Ayan, pinutin mo yun. Ayan, okay. We're done. Okay. Pindot. So yan, kailangan malagay sa neutral na siya. Okay, let's go. Matic na yan, nag-i-stop. Para mag-stop. So, tap mo ulit. Cool. Oh, ayan, again, president ng DPS. Ayan. Ayan. Yeah, kita mo, sobrang yaman. Iniwan ko yan, mahirap. Oh, ayan ang first lady ng DPS.
Nakaluwag-luwag na.
Oh, nakaluwag na, tignan mo. Okay. Okay guys, salamat.
Kumikita ng dollar.